In this video, I am going to show you my vlog setup. And this is one of the best vlogging setup you can use. Also, it's cheap and you can get everything within $500. I will post all the links down in the description box so you can find everything easily. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button so you can see all my future videos. Anyway, let's get into the vlogging setup. The first thing you will need is GoPro. Right now I am using GoPro Hero 7 Black and this small thing is a beast. I use this camera because of 5 reasons. Number 1 is its size. It's super portable and easy to keep it with you all the time. Also, because of its small size, people around you don't feel intimidated, hence you can be more relaxed and comfortable. If you vlog with DSLR, people around you will definitely notice and things become a little awkward. This thing can literally hide itself and go unnoticed. Number 2, super wide angle. The drawback of not having a flip-up screen can be compensated with its wide angle lens. You don't have to worry about not being in the frame. Just point and start recording. You will be in the frame no matter what. Number 3 is video quality. This little thing can record 4K up to 60 frames per second and Full HD up to 240 frames per second. That's a super slow motion. If you turn ProTune on, you can control all parameters such as ISO, shutter speed, sharpness, color profile manually, which gives you great control over your footage. Number 4 is hyper smooth stabilization. GoPro advertised this camera as the gimbal killer, and it is true up to a certain extent. Handhold footage is also pretty smooth, and that saves money. Of course, it has its limitations, but in most of the scenarios, it works fine. And the last reason is you can mount it anywhere. I mounted it on bicycle, motorcycle, outside of the car, my wrist, chest, head, everywhere. And it's waterproof and shockproof. What else do you want? Well, audio can be better. I'm here for maybe 3-4 days and then we'll roam around the pools. To be honest, the inbuilt microphone in this GoPro is not that bad. When you're shooting in a relatively quiet place, you will get a good sound. But if you're shooting in a windy or crowded place, any inbuilt camera microphone will not give you good results. Therefore, in this vlog setup, we are going to attach an external directional microphone to GoPro. Let us begin. So now you have a GoPro. One bad thing about GoPro is it does not have external mic input. Therefore, first thing you will need is this GoPro microphone adapter. You can get this on GoPro official website for $50. I know $50 for this small piece of plastic is too much, but there is just no other option. Don't buy any knockoffs as they don't always work and not that reliable. I got this from website of Sweetwater and I have to agree, their service is just amazing. I will definitely recommend buying it from Sweetwater. As you can see, this end will go in a GoPro and this is a microphone input. This also has a USB-C type input, so you can still charge the battery or attach GoPro to the computer. But I don't think we are going to use that. The next thing you will need is an external microphone. This one is a Rode compact on-camera microphone. Now there are many microphones available to choose from. I feel this one is the best because first of all, audio quality. Rode is well known for making the best quality microphones and this one is not an exception. And secondly, its size. The whole point of using GoPro for vlogging is to keep size small so it doesn't make sense to attach a huge microphone on a GoPro. This one comes for $60 and the link is in description. In the box you will find, well, a microphone, a mount and a connector. It also comes with a windshield which helps you to remove wind noise if you are shooting outside. Now, the original GoPro case does not have a provision to attach the microphone adapter. Therefore, it's best to get this GoPro vlogging case. It's not super expensive. There are few options available, but I found this one is the best. You can see there is a space to insert a microphone adapter here. And you can mount the microphone over here on the top. Because of GoPro's wide angle lens, sometimes the windshield of microphone can come into the frame. To avoid that, they gave this small piece of plastic which increases the height of microphone so that it will not come in the frame. And lastly, you will need a tripod. Now you can choose any tripod. I just happen to have this one which is slightly flexible, but any tripod will do the job just fine. Now assembly time. The first thing you have to do is remove this GoPro door. It's a detachable door, so you can remove it easily. And your mic adapter will go here. It's very easy to misplace this small piece, so make sure you keep it safe. Then take the case. There is a tiny button over here, just press it and this part will slide out. Put your GoPro inside. Put back the cover. It fits very well without any rattling. Then insert the microphone adapter from this side, wire first, connect it to GoPro, then the microphone mount, add the microphone. One end of this wire will go here and another end will go here. Let's add the windshield as well and check if it comes in the frame. Nope. Nice work, people. And finally, you will need this small piece. This comes with your GoPro, so you must have it. This will help you to attach your GoPro to tripod. And the final piece of the puzzle, the tripod. And your small vlogging setup is ready. Now, just remember one important thing. Microphone is not waterproof. Also, we removed the GoPro door. So at this point, GoPro is also not waterproof. So don't put it in water. That's it. The total cost of this setup right now is around $480 plus taxes. So this is the best vlogging setup under 500. And that's it. Last step is go out. If you're still here, please consider subscribing to this channel by clicking over here. And as always, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.